Do you want to start penpaling? But then when you check your purse, you don't have the money for it. Just with these few things, you can make this package. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be doing voiceovers for tutorial parts like making an envelope as well as how to dry plants, because I think it will be easier for you guys to follow along without having to constantly read the subtitles. For now, just sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So before we make a flipbook, I'm going to show you guys how to make an envelope. The first step, measure out 11.5 centimeters and fold it up. Next is to fold the top part of the envelope to make a seal flap. Next is to fold both sides of the envelope. This part is fully customizable for you, so the less that you fold, the wider the envelope is going to be. And this way you can store more things. Now to form the side fold, you basically want to cut off the top and the bottom section and leave the middle section with the flap. I also cut a little bit off of the side flaps so that it's easier to stick the envelope together later. Next, we're going to make the throat of the envelope. So the purpose of a throat is to facilitate the removal of the contents for your pen pal. So what I did here was I put the seal flap down to estimate where the seal flap will stick to, and then make an indentation of about 1.5 centimeters above it. Then with a ruler or scissor, tear off along that line. Next is optional, but I like to round the edges for a fancier look. Next, put glue onto the seal folds. But before that, measure out where the bottom flap will be and put the adhesive below that level. Now you've successfully made an envelope. To make a flip book is really simple. All you need is just another envelope and stick both these envelopes together by their seal flaps. And now you got yourself a flip book. Another cool thing that you can give your pen pals is actually in your area. Different plants grow in different places, so it makes the flower in your area unique. For the first step, place your flowers face down on a piece of parchment paper. Top off the flowers with another piece of parchment paper. Step 2. Put the parchment paper and flowers on the microwave tray. Then put the plate on top. Step 3. Turn the microwave on low for 30 seconds to a minute. Make sure to keep on checking on the flowers and keep on repeating this process until you're satisfied with the dryness of the flower. You want to keep on checking on your flower so that it doesn't burn. And now you have some lovely flowers to give your pen pal. If you'd like to know how to use an iron or a book, I'll put the steps in the description below.